I'm going to show you how to add a to-do list in Notion. I'm using a sample page called Add To-Do List just as an example, so you can clearly see what happens. Click on an empty line on the page. Type a / on your keyboard. A menu appears. Type and click To-Do List. A checkbox appears on the page. You'll see a blinking cursor next to the checkbox. Type your task. Press Enter to add another to-do item. Repeat this to add more tasks. When an item is complete, click the checkbox to mark it as done. A tick will appear. Click it again to remove the tick. That's how you add a to-do list in Notion.